Hi guys, Frugal Gal back again with another lot. This is lot number 4. I told you it was coming up. This lot is also $15 and it has two name brand pieces in it. Okay, let's get to it. We have a really long necklace here. It's a double stranded necklace, okay? I'm going to kind of show it to you if I can get up there. These beads on here are glass beads. And then it has like little flowers with rhinestones in the center. The longest strand of this measures 40 inches. And the inside one, the one that you would have to, the shortest one, it measures, sorry for saying that so much, 36 inches, okay? So, it's not a name brand or anything. This is our name brand piece. This is a, get it up here for you, 1928 necklace. Yep. So that's a nice signed piece. This is kind of short. It is 17 inches long, gold tone, perfect shape. It's got the tag and it's got a shepherd's hook on it. Right? Get that. Of course, Brooch Girl has to put a brooch in. You get this really pretty gold tone with a faux pearl in a prong setting brooch. I just think that's a really pretty brooch. Excellent shape. Looks almost brand new, even though it's vintage. You get this cigar band ring. You'd have to have a real small wrist, wouldn't you? Ring, and right now it is setting at 9. I don't think you could bend that unless you're a He-Man. So it's not bendable. It's not adjustable, okay? Really pretty little plastic things in here. And it's a size 9 cigar band ring. He won't say bracelet. You get this lovely bracelet. Now I can't find the word bracelet. This is 8.5 inches long, but you don't have to have that big of a wrist because it's got this extender on it that you can make it shorter. But it can go to 8.5. Really pretty. Like I said, brand new condition on that. You get some hoop earrings that have silver tone and gold tone. Let me get you in focus here. And some engraving on them. They're really pretty. They're really light, so they're not heavy. They're in good shape. You get these clip-on heart earrings that are Avon. So here's our second piece of signed jewelry. This little vintage clip-on Avon heart earrings. Those cute. They kind of look like a seashell, don't they? Okay. You get these earrings that are clip-on, but they also are screw back where you can adjust the clip-on. Excellent shape. Bangle earrings. You get these pierced lever back earrings. Gold tone texture. Pretty. And then you get this bracelet, which measures 7 3/4, and it kind of reminds me of an Avon bracelet, but it's not Avon. There's no mark on it. It's an excellent shape. Those stones are a kind of, I can't really tell if they're black or if they're dark blue. I think they're black. The rhinestones. Excellent shape. Sorry. No wear on them. Okay, so you get all of this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exactly 10 pieces for $15 plus shipping. You tell me how you want me to ship it. If it's first class, that would be the most affordable. And I do actual shipping charge, which means I put in your zip code and USPS.com, and I put my zip code, your zip code, and I charge you actual shipping costs. It would cost you to ship it. No extras on top of it. And so 10 pieces, $15 for the first person who leaves a comment down there. And that's a 1928, remember. And those are Avon. So thanks, guys. And maybe this is the last one. This is number 4, right? Is this number 4? I think so, number 4. After this one, I will open that box. Open the box. Open the box. This box. What box? This box. This box of jewelry. The excellent ordered from Blue Box. Alright, guys. Talk to you later.